Hello everybody, welcome to this video. Please subscribe us on YouTube channel. To this video, I tell you what is the best time for do meditation. Meditation can be improve your focus and less stress and better sleep. You need just 10 minutes for do that. If you can't do a meditation, you never get peace. Some people do a meditation in the morning. When you do in the morning, you get a lot positive energy and peace. But if you can't do in the morning, no problem. You can do during the day. Just do it. One way of between focus and peace is a meditation. Now, let's do that. Inhale and exhale. Close your eyes. Pay attention to your body, voice around you, and sound and quality of your breathing. Now, do you have a pain feel? Do you have a bad feel in your body? Inhale and exhale. Do that. Count your breaths from 0 until 10. You not need anything. You not need manage anything. When you feel better, open your eyes. Congratulations. You can do. Good job, guys. Bye.